Let's start with a $100 million company that has 50 of debt and 50 of equity. Because equity makes up half of the capital structure, it also has an equity ratio of 50%. Now we grow the company by 50%, but we keep the debt level constant. Both TEV and TechV will increase by 50, so they have the same change in absolute terms, but not in relative terms. We see here that the enterprise has a return multiple of 1.5x, but the equity has a return multiple of 2x. The difference here is entirely due to gearing. In leveraged deals, equity is smaller than enterprise value, so relative changes in TechV will be bigger than relative changes in TEV. This is how debt amplifies equity gains and losses in an LBO. These chi-unlev and chi-equity values are the logarithmic model equity return multipliers for the unlevered return and the total equity return described in VC 105. And they're connected by the leverage effect, which is the equity ratio at exit divided by the equity ratio at entry. If you multiply the 1.33x leverage effect by the 1.5x unlevered return, you get the deal's total equity return of 2.0x. You can also plug these values into the derivative model of value creation described in VC 104. This gives you an unlevered return of 29.2 and a leverage effect of 20.8. And of course, these add up to the total equity return of 50 million.